Welcome. At Google Cloud, next on April 22nd, 2026, Google announced the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, the official evolution of Vertex AI. Going forward, Vertex AI services ship through this single agent-focused platform, unifying models, dev and tuning tools, and governance. It is organized around four pillars: build, scale, govern, and optimize, and agents surface directly inside the Gemini Enterprise app. In the next few minutes, we cover what changed, the four pillars, and why it matters for teams. Let's start with the core idea behind Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Here are the essentials of Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Announced April 22nd, 2026 at Cloud Next. The platform is Google's stated evolution of Vertex AI. Google says Vertex AI services and roadmap now ship exclusively through this one agent-focused platform rather than as a standalone product. The build pillar centers on the Agent Development Kit, a graph-based framework plus low-code Agent Studio for visual prototyping. It supports MCP, the Model Context Protocol, so agents connect to external tools and data through a shared standard. The Scale pillar adds agent runtime for deploying and managing agents, plus agent-to-agent orchestration. Memory bank and memory profiles give agents persistent memory, so they recall context across multiple sessions instead of starting fresh each time. The Govern pillar brings agent identity with cryptographic IDs, an agent gateway, and model armor against prompt injection and tool poisoning. The Optimize pillar adds agent simulation and agent observability for testing and tracing agent behavior. Now let us look at why Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform matters in practice. Here is where Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. Instead of stitching together separate Vertex AI services, teams get models, dev and tuning, orchestration, and governance in one place. Google positions all four pillars as a single lifecycle from building an agent through running and securing it. Under the Govern pillar, Model Armor targets agent-specific threats like prompt injection and tool poisoning. Paired with Agent Gateway and cryptographic agent identity, it lets security teams enforce runtime policies on what agents can do. With Memory Bank and Memory Profiles, agents retain information across sessions. For applications like support or internal assistance, that persistent memory means an agent can remember a user's prior context rather than asking again every time. Agents built on the platform appear directly in the Gemini Enterprise app, so employees reach them where they already work. Teams can start with low-code Agent Studio, then graduate to the Agent Development Kit for complex reasoning. Let us recap the key takeaways on Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform and what to do next. At Cloud Next on April 22nd, 2026, Google announced the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform as the evolution of Vertex AI, an agent-focused platform unifying models, dev and tuning services, and governance. The platform is organized into four pillars. Build covers ADK, Agent Studio, and MCP. Scale covers agent runtime and memory bank. Govern and Optimize cover security and observability. Governance is native, not bolted on. Cryptographic agent identity, the agent gateway, and model armor against prompt injection and tool poisoning let teams ship agents with runtime policy enforcement. Memory bank and memory profiles deliver cross-session recall, while agent-to-agent orchestration on agent runtime lets multiple agents coordinate. Agent simulation and observability round out testing and monitoring. The Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform marks Google's pivot from a model service to a full agent stack, with Build, Scale, Govern, and Optimize as the foundation. If your team works with AI agents, it is worth understanding what changed under the hood. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.